So he just randomly messaged me through mutual friend, and he's like, "Hey, I know you're selling hoverboards. I was gonna sell these hoverboard anyway, but since you already have stock, you can save me a bunch of time. In exchange, I can sell them faster, and we'll just do a 50-50 cut." And I was like, "Absolutely, sure." So he just got a bunch of photos from me, a bunch of copywriting from me. He set up everything on his own account, and then literally like the day after, like sales started coming in. He was running like PPC, pay per click, and I was like, what the hell is going on? Like, who's buying these? How are you making it so easy? Like, you did this in one day. Like, I'm like, what? Like, what is this? Like, what is Amazon? Because at the time, I didn't buy anything on Amazon at all. So yeah, that's how I kind of discovered Amazon, and I wanted to learn from him. And he was kind of secretive about what he was doing, so I kind of had to learn everything myself.